Our left drain board 3-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 81 inches, a depth of 29 3/4 inches, a height of 44 inches. 3 compartments, with each compartment measuring 18 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, and 14 inches in height. So this applies for the first, middle, and last compartment. Each compartment will also include the strainer and stop basket. Coming to the left side will be the drain board, with the drain board measuring 22 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. And last but not least, for the faucet, measurement for the left and right mount will include 8 inches, and the measurement for the swivel head spout will measure 14 inches. Located on the far left top corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.